everyone, I have written some new music, and I have released that music, and now I've made a video for it. So I just wanted to talk about it here for a second. It's a cover of a song called Time of the Season that I think was released in 1968 by a band called The Zombies. It's the time of the season when love runs high. Anyway, my mind took it into dark directions for some reason. A lot of times when I write music, it kind of feels like I'm channeling it or it's coming from some other place. In this case, it was about 2 a.m. in the morning, where a lot of ideas come from for me because I have trouble sleeping, and it's just being beamed into my head. It's like another force is being like, "Hey, you wanna do something?" And I'm like, "No, I want to sleep." And it's like, "Nuh-uh." So then it's just me trying to, in a haze, trying to be like, record stuff on my phone. Anyway, this kept me up for hours, and I loved the weird melodic feeling it kept having, and that's why I was chasing it. So I hope some of you enjoy it. My friend Ben Anderson plays drums on it. He's from a band called Nothing More, and he's also from our project called Without Sleep. When I say I haven't released music in a while, I did release an album and then another single with him in our band called Without Sleep, if you want to look them up. But them, as in us. But otherwise, he plays with this band, Nothing More, which is tremendous as well. He definitely elevated the song with his drumming, and I did everything else, played all the instruments, and recorded it, mixed and mastered, and all that kind of stuff. Also used hardware, which I'm very new to. I'm used to using everything in the box. Anyway, if you want to join me on Patreon or something like that and learn more about how I wrote it, why I wrote it, how I put it together, how I mixed it, if you want to download the session, I'll let you do that too. I'm trying to build a community of people over there that appreciate what I do, want to learn about music, want to talk about it, want to make it, stuff like that. So I appreciate you guys. I'll be seeing you soon. I hope you enjoy this. Thanks.